In this short tutorial, I will show you how to download audio in WhatsApp. Downloading audio messages or files in WhatsApp is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, select the chat where the audio files are located. Then long press on the audio that you want to save. And then tap Forward. If you want to, you can select multiple audio files. Once you've selected all the audio files, tap on this button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then bring this up. Tap Save to Files. What you want to do next is select where you want to save these audio files. You can save them anywhere you like, but I'm going to create a new folder and save them to my iPhone. Tap Save. The audio files will then be downloaded and saved to your device's storage. You can now exit the WhatsApp application, navigate to the location where you saved the audio files, and access and listen to these audio files even when you are offline. You can also share this audio file with other people. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.